everyone, welcome back to another hair video. I just did a bleach bath on my hair and I got all the yellow out, but it barely took any of the pink out, unfortunately. Also, I missed a couple spots, as you can see. So, I got some color oops. Hopefully that will take the pink out. I'm gonna mix it up and hopefully it'll work. Got myself a bowl in case I need it. Got some paper towels. I got the gloves that came with it. These ones are so funny. You like stick your hands in it. Oh, that's not the gloves. They are on there, but that's not them. This is a cap. I forgot that was in there. Alright, here are the gloves. They're just like stuck to the paper. It's funny. Come on. Go on. There we go. I skimmed through the instructions, and I have done this before, so I think I know what I'm doing. I have a window open so I don't get myself sick. Ooh, better pop that bubble. There we go. And mix all this up. I know it says to put it on just the colored part, but I am gonna put it on the rest of my hair just cause. Just shake it for about 30 seconds away from your eyes, but I'm not paying attention. Alrighty, got that done. You gotta snip the cap off. If it'll come off. That exploded a little bit. Thankfully I didn't get any in my eyes. So be very careful when doing that. Get it off the scissors. Yes, I would suggest releasing the pressure after shaking it before cutting the cap off. 'Cause that was close. Alright, so I should probably get a mirror out. That would be smart. So if you see me looking down here, it's because my mirror is down there. So, let's see. Let's try this out. Hopefully it works. I'm going to really saturate my hair with it because I did not use enough of the bleach. That's how I ended up with that patch there. I'm hoping that this will lighten that patch so I don't have to re-bleach it. I don't have a lot of hair, so this one probably shouldn't trick. Yeah, I got to bleach that spot. I know this doesn't work. Alright, I got a little bit left, so I'm going to leave it in the bottle just in case I need to do a second round on the pink part. hopefully just one round will work, but we'll see. Alright, time to put my lovely shower cap on. Alright, and it says to leave this for 15 to 20 minutes, so that's what I'll do, and I'll come back once it's rinsed out. So, I'm back from rinsing it out, and as you can see, it pretty much did nothing. So, I'm going to do another bleach bath. I'm going to use my 20 volume developer and my blonde me powder and some shampoo. I'm not going to add water this time because my hair is pretty wet, so hopefully that's enough water. I'm just going to mix this up. And make sure I make enough this time because I think that was my issue with the last bleach bath. Didn't have quite enough. Gonna have to get some more soon. Or just stop dyeing my hair. That might be an option too. I'm thinking about going back to natural soon. I think I might have to add the rest of the powder to this. All gone. Yeah, hopefully my hair is wet enough for this to work. I think I put too much developer in here because it's a little soupy. But I don't have any more powder, so it's gonna have to do. I'm going to start with the side here because I missed that. Oh, oh boy. Yeah, it's a little too runny. Wish I had more of the powder, but this is all I got. It being too runny is probably why I missed so many spots in the back last time. It probably just fell off. So since this is so runny, I'm going to go to the bathroom to put it on. I don't want to get it on my floor and on my chair. So I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, I've got it on and I turned the cap inside out so I wouldn't mix any chemicals. I added a little bit of water in there so it would stay hydrated. And I'm going to leave it on for probably 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We'll see. I will come back to you once I rinsed it out. Well guys, here's the finished result. Still couldn't get all the pink out, but I think this turned out pretty nice. Got a nice blonde color with the highlight of pink. I think that works pretty well. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.